Do you think it's more hygienic to wash yourself with water, or is it more hygienic to use toilet paper after you pee? Imagine there's no toilet paper, there's no water. What are you gonna use then?
Oh my God.
Now, if you don't mind, can you please demonstrate how you clean yourself after you use the toilet? Do you think it's more hygienic to wash yourself with water, or is it more hygienic to use toilet paper after you pee?
I think it's more hygienic when you use water. When you use water, lahat ng dumi sa ano,
You tend to clean everything.
yes.
Okay. You believe that if you use tissue, you can clean everything like that?
I think kapag ano lang kasi, kapag tissue lang, the smell is
Still there.
still there.
Okay, and how about you, Beth?
Well, I tend to use water, and after using water, I tend to use tissues.
Oh, to dry yourself.
Yes. So I feel more hygienic after that because it's dry, and when you pull your underwears, it's dry.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's very smart. Yeah.
I mean, it's when you use water, there won't be any chemicals, and after that, you can dry yourself.
You know, there are some that they use soap or antibacterial something, with water to wash yourself. Do you also do that?
No. I only use water because I see online that there could be damage in your pH levels and some of that like that.
How about you? Just water or with feminine wash or soap?
I use feminine wash.
I mean, what's the brand?
PH care.
Oh, me too. I also use speech care. Yeah, it's really especially the cool one. You know, I think it's green, right? And then the pink one is nice too. And they smell so good. Yeah, they smell so good. Okay. Have you ever used toilet paper before? Or to wipe yourself?
Yes.
Yes. Her, yes, because she said to dry herself she used so that's why your answer is water, right? Because you tried toilet paper before.
Yes.
Do you think it is more hygienic to wash yourself with water, or is it more hygienic to use toilet paper after you pee?
For me po, I prefer using water after I use the toilet because it seems more hygienic kasi water is clean, 'di ba?
So are you saying that toilet paper are dirty?
No, it's not like that, but the dirt I when you use toilet paper, you can get all the dirt from your like that.
So there's like leftover. Leftover. So you can't really clean like 100% unlike water.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why water. How about you, Beth? Water or toilet paper?
For me, when we use after we use a toilet,
Mhm.
I prepare to use water because for me, same with her answer. 100% na mas clean kita.
Cleaner
Yeah.
than the toilet. Like you can, no more, let's say poop, no more. Okay, no more dirt. Okay, I see. Have you ever used toilet paper to wipe yourself?
Um no. I always use water po ever since.
Ever since. And how about you?
Same with her answer. I use water.
Okay. But would you try toilet paper?
Um Sometimes when it's lacks of water, if needed,
You will.
you will.
How about you? Would you try using, toilet paper?
Um if needed na,
if needed.
Yes.
Okay, I see. Imagine there's no toilet paper, there's no water. What are you gonna use then?
Oh my God.
What are you gonna use? No water, no toilet paper. Let's say you're in the jungle. So what are you gonna use?
Leaves? Kasi,
Leaves.
sa mga sa people before, they say that they use leaves when they after they pee or poop.
Okay, to clean themselves, they use leaves. And how about you? If you're in the jungle,
Um, like she said, I will use sleeves for that's all.
this is for all the people who do not understand our culture. I brought our best friend today. This is what we call tabo. Okay. Now, if you don't mind, can you please demonstrate how you clean yourself after you use the toilet?
Like getting water.
Mm-hmm.
Then, tas ganun.
You don't
I also use my hand, then soap,
mhm.
then ganun. Then water again to sure that it's clean.
To rinse it. I see. Soap? You use soap to wash your thing?
Yes.
Soap or feminine wash?
If there's no feminine wash, I use soap. Then it's yes. Soap can be also used because it's antibacterial. Then
Oh, antibacterial soap. I see. So you wash it in front like that.
then until the it's
You also clean your butt like
yes,
that.
like that.
How about you said you go like this, right? How about going like this?
Same. Kasi yung the water, it cannot ano ba ang tawag doon?
It can go there at the back.
Yes, so you have to also the water sure that the water will go here in the back then.
How about you, babe? How do you clean yourself after you use the toilet? Show us. Can you
That
please?
demonstration like this in the front and also the back for sure. For sure na it's clean.
You're both college students, right?
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
Bachelor of Science, major in Financial Management from PSU.
PSU. So you must be smart.
Slight.
Very humble. Are you both singles or do you have boyfriends?
Me single.
I have.
You have a boyfriend. Okay. Well, anyway, oh, just okay. Let's put it there. Okay. Hopefully, we earned your subscription, and also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, everyone.
Beautiful reflections